The value of Bitcoin lies in its decentralized system, network effects, and scarcity. Since it is not issued by any government or central authority, Bitcoin holders can store and transfer their value without worrying about third parties. As the network of users continues to grow, so does its utility, resulting in the creation of a virtuous cycle for its users and upkeep. Additionally, since there is a finite amount of Bitcoin, its scarcity gives it an inherent value.
Bitcoin can be seen as an element of capital like gold or stocks, as it can be used as an investment with the potential to yield a significant return. In addition, Bitcoin can help users make money by taking advantage of market inefficiencies like arbitrage. As an investment, Bitcoin can provide an attractive option for high-risk investors who have diversified their portfolio with digital assets.
Volatility has always been an issue for cryptocurrency, as intrinsic value is often hard to determine. As a store of value, Bitcoin has been a safe way for users to protect their wealth and make payments for goods and services. In addition to Bitcoin's ability to act as a medium of exchange, there are numerous other uses for the cryptocurrency.
The network effect of a cryptocurrency is the main driver of its value. As its user base grows, so does its usage and utility, resulting in higher demand and driving up prices. This is due to the notion that the more people use a cryptocurrency, the more valuable it becomes as more users can use it to make digital payments. This creates a virtuous cycle where more users result in more value.
The fundamental value of Bitcoin is zero. At the most basic level, its value lies in its decentralized system, network effects, and scarcity. These properties help give Bitcoin an intrinsic value, making it more attractive to investors and users alike. As the network of users grows and the demand for Bitcoin increases, it may become more valuable and useful over time. This has been a presentation by Crypto Accounting and Tax Services Worldwide based in Dubai. Disclaimer: this contents of this presentation is for information purpose only and is not financial or tax advice. See you in the next presentation.